This mission Vande Bharat, which is being organized by Government of India to bring back our stranded fellow countrymen back to India, I take this privilege to represent my company Air India Express, which goes by the mission of simply priceless, to undertake this priceless mission of bringing back our fellow countrymen who are stranded and are in need during this month. And today being the first day of this massive evacuation which is being planned, me and my team, which comprises of Mr. Deepak, Mr. Tashi, Ms. Riyanka, Ms. Anjana, and Captain Rizwan, we are all very positive, and we would like to assure all the family members back home who are waiting for their family members to come back, who will be boarding this flight, that stay rest assured. As always, we will live up to your expectations and bring back our passengers. Also, I would like to thank our management, the guidance of our CEO and Chief Operating Operations, under whose guidance and vision we have been able to plan, who have ensured that in coordination with Ernakulam Medical College and Dr. Ganesh at Ernakulam Medical College, that we have been able to plan out this evacuation flight, undertake all the training that was required for this mission. Any other questions?
Whether this mission is chosen by yours or deputed by the other?
We all feel privileged that a company has entrusted us with this mission, and that is the only thing that I would want to say, that we have been entrusted with this mission.
What about this rescue mission?
Yeah, it's a very good question, because what I feel, that's one reason why I've been calling it a mission. Being a ex-military aviator, I don't look at it as an ordinary flight. There are risks, there are challenges involved, and we have been trained to mitigate those risks and challenges, and that is why this mission, we are all prepared for it.
Did you participate any missions like ever before?
Not in commercial, but however, when I was an officer with Indian Coast Guard, yes, I have undertaken. Not on this side, but yes, search and rescue missions have been carried out.
Your good name and designation?
I am Captain Anshul Shoran. I am a captain with Air India Express based out of Cochin.
വളരെയധികം സന്തോഷം തന്നെയുണ്ട്. ഒട്ടും തന്നെ ഭയമില്ല ഞങ്ങൾക്ക്. കാരണം കമ്പനി ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഈ ഒരു ദൗത്യം ഏൽപ്പിച്ച് തന്നപ്പോൾ തന്നെ വളരെയധികം അഭിമാനത്തോടു കൂടി തന്നെയാണ് ഞങ്ങൾ ഈ ദൗത്യം ഏറ്റെടുത്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ റിസ്ക് ഫാക്ടർ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ തന്നെ ഞങ്ങളത് അതിൻ്റേതായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരുപാട് പ്രിക്കോഷൻസ് എടുത്തിട്ട് തന്നെയാണ് ഞങ്ങൾ പോകുന്നത്. റിസ്ക് മാറ്ററിൽ ഉപരി നമ്മുടെ പ്രവാസി മലയാളികളെ നാട്ടിലോട്ട് കൊണ്ടുവരുന്ന ഒരു ദൗത്യം, അതാണ് ഞങ്ങളുടെ ലക്ഷ്യം. വീട്ടുകാർക്ക് പേടിയുണ്ട്, പക്ഷെ എന്നാലും അവർക്ക് നമ്മളിലൊരു വിശ്വാസമുണ്ട്, നന്നായിട്ട് തന്നെ ഈ വിജയം പൂർത്തിയാക്കുമെന്നുള്ളത്. ഐ എം ഫീലിംഗ് വെരി മച്ച് പ്രൗഡ് ഫോർ ബീങ് എ പാർട്ട് ഓഫ് ദിസ് ഭാരത് മിഷൻ.
Actually, my family is the most supportive part for this job, and they told that be proud for yourself and support the people who is around there. And we as a team, we are a group, we are fully trained, and we are fully all prepared to evacuate all the passengers out there. And we all are together as one, and we will help all the passengers out there as a one good team, as a simply priceless Air India Express team.
See, on behalf of our company Air India Express Limited, we are proud to be part of this Vande Bharat mission, first of all. And we all are prepared, because yesterday we received the proper briefing from Medical College Kalamassery, led by Dr. Ganesh and assisted by Vidya and Dr. Manu. He briefed about how to deal with these passengers. And also we received the proper guidelines from the company. So because of that, we all are well prepared for this mission. All are supporting, even from my locality also I am getting enough support to operate this mission, because we all know our sisters and brothers are stuck there in abroad due to this pandemic COVID-19. So I think it's my proud, to step forward to handle this mission. That's what I personally believe. Deepak, I'm the cabin in charge of this flight today.
Sure.
assigned to us by Government of India under Vande mission to Kochi. At this, and members of all the management who have put in Kalmasheri under the guidance of Dr. Manoj, and us with this opportunity and responsibility to undertake the gardens. Yeah, I'll do it. Yeah.